everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to study the paragraph that we have left in the previous one. So on the case study of Taj Mahal. Now, Supreme Court has ordered the industries to switch to cleaner fuels like CNG, that is compressed natural gas, and LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. So you should know about these full forms of CNG and LPG. Then, moreover, the automobiles should switch over to unleaded petrol in the Taj zone. Discuss with your elders and see what they have to say about the condition of the Taj 20 or 30 years ago. Try to procure a picture of the Taj Mahal for your scrapbook. And another topic that we are going to study in this, it is 18.4, that is greenhouse effect. That you know that the sun's rays warm the earth's surface. A part of the radiation that falls on the earth is absorbed by it, and a part is reflected back into space. A part of the reflected radiation is trapped by the atmosphere. The trapped radiations further warm the earth. If you have seen a greenhouse in a nursery or elsewhere, recall that the sun's heat is allowed to get in but is not allowed to go out. The trapped heat warms the greenhouse. The trapping of radiations by the Earth's atmosphere is similar. That is why it is called the greenhouse effect. Without this process, life would not have been possible on the Earth, but now it threatens life. CO2 is one of the gases responsible for this effect. You know that CO2 is one of the components of air. You have also studied the greenhouse effect. They are telling that the sun's rays warm the earth's surface, and the part of the radiation that falls on the earth is absorbed by it. Other part is reflected back into space. Then a part of the reflection radiation is trapped by the atmosphere. Trapped radiation warm the earth further. Then you have seen a greenhouse in a nursery or elsewhere. Then the trapped heat warms the greenhouse. Trapping of radiations by the earth's atmosphere is similar. That is why it is called the greenhouse effect. So you should know that what is greenhouse effect. Its definition is very important for the examination process. Then we have, without this process life would not have been possible. Yes, this is true. And now it threatens life. That is, CO2 is one of the gases responsible for this effect. So now you know that CO2 is one of the components of air. So we have learned till this paragraph. Then we have to start the next paragraph of this topic in the next video. Till then you have to learn all of these things and keep in mind all the points that we have discussed in this greenhouse effect, that what is greenhouse effect, and all the case study of Taj Mahal that we have discussed.